Action.
Welcome again guys to another educative tutorial. Now I'm going to show you on how to do a palm tree ponytail on dreadlocks. So this is the way to go about it, guys. You want your lock strands to aim into pony, that is at the center. Then you wrap strands around the base just to form that barrel at the base, which implicates the stem of the palm tree. And then at the top we are going to finish up by making some petals. Then you are going to apply some color, that is green color. So join me guys as we kick off the style, guys. So this is how you do it, guys. We kick off by making a single barrel at the bottom. Now remember that, guys, the barrel implicates the stem of the palm tree. Just roll the strands around. Just like that. Now guys, upon reaching the end, I'm going to tuck in the final tip just to disguise its appearance. Like this, guys. Like that. That way. So now guys, I'm going to apply some temporary color, that is green color, guys, to the strands. And this is the way to go about it, just to bring that taste of color. So now guys, we are through with our color section, that is I've done temporary color, that is green color, on my final strands where I'm going to make the loops. So this is the way to go about it, guys. I'm going to secure petals at the bottom using yarn. Now this is the way to decorate it using this silver ribbon, guys, at the base of the palm tree. Then it ends there, guys. You just secure it. Then, as usual, we are going to disguise the tips by pulling them inwards. That way. Then we pull this one once, this side. Now this is our final look, guys. You can see this is our palm tree ponytail. You can try it, guys. This is a style that you can use as a bridesmaid, or you can also do it when you are doing some music. And keep on subscribing, guys. Share my work, comment, and stay locked for more tutorials to come. So this is final look, guys. It's elegant, guys. It's wow. Very captivating. You can do it at your wedding for your bridesmaids.